Example 13. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 and so on must be taken so that the sum is 78? So let's find it out. AP which we are given is 24, 21, 18 and so on. So you can see here the AP is in decreasing order, so that means the value of D will be negative. So here from AP we have A is equal to 24, the first term, D is equal to 21 minus 24, which is minus 3. And how many terms of the AP, that n number of terms we have to find out. If the sum of all the terms is 78, so how many terms are having sum 78? That number of terms we have to find out. So since Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, same formula. So 78 is equal to n by 2, 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into the value of d, minus 3. So cross multiplying 2 this side, 78 into 2 is 156, is equal to n into 24 into 2 is 48. Multiplying minus 3 inside, minus 3n plus 3. So we get 156 is equal to n into 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. So let us multiply this n inside the bracket. 156 is equal to 51n minus 3n square. So if we transpose this both this side, 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. And as you can see, we can divide the whole equation by 3. So we get n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. The equation is divided by 3. So now we have a quadratic equation for n, and we can factorize this by middle term splitting method. So n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. So n minus 13 if n is taken common, and if minus 4 taken common, n minus 13 is equal to 0. So n minus 13, n minus 4 is equal to 0. That means we will get two value of n equal to 13, n equal to 4. Now children, in such questions you have to keep one thing in mind, that n cannot be negative, as it is the countable term. So if by chance out of the two answers, if one answer is positive and one answer is negative, then negative answer will be ignored. You will not accept negative answer, you will take only the positive value. But here in this question, both the answers are positive. That means we must accept both the answers. But how it is possible that if we take both the values of n, the sum will come 78? The reason for this is, since the AP is going in negative direction, then when you find out the sum of positive terms, it will be 78. And if we go on carrying those terms again after 0, because you see here 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, in that way the terms will go. So before 0 we have all the terms positive, and if you solve them you will find out that the sum is 78, but after that sum of all those terms will be 0. Therefore in that case both the values of n will be acceptable. Okay.